So this assignment, which is related to rate, redox, and reversible reaction. Till question 15 already, the sessions are recorded. So I will start with 16, question 16. So this exercise assignment is related to rate, redox, and reversible reactions. In question number 16, the question is, in which of the following reaction is sulfuric 4-acid H2SO3 acting as an oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent itself, it should be reduced. So what we can do, we can check the change in oxidation number of a sulfur, in which one the sulfur oxidation number is decreased. So in that case, it will act like an oxidizing agent. So when we check the options, here in sulfuric acid, like each hydrogen is +1, 2 hydrogen +2. Each oxygen is -2, so 3 will be -6, so sulfur will be +2. And here in sodium sulfate, each sodium is +1, so 2 will be +2. This will be -6, so sulfur should be. So there is no change in oxidation number of sulfur. So it's not oxidized or reduced. And to act as an oxidizing agent, it should reduce, like its oxidation number should decrease. When we check here H2SO3, so each hydrogen is +1, oxygen -6, so sulfur +4. But what about H2SO4 +4, +2, -8, then it should be +6. So +4 become +6. If the +4 become +6, it means oxidation happened for sulfur. If oxidation happened for sulfur, it means it is acting like a reducing agent. So in this case, H2SO3 is acting like a reducing agent as oxidation happened. When you check the third option, H2SO3, in which oxidation number of sulfur is +4, becomes sulfur 0. So if +4 becomes 0, it means reduction happened as the +4 changes to 0, and when reduction happens, the substance is acting like an oxidizing agent. That's why option C is the right answer. Why not D? When you check D, sulfur is +4 here, and in sulfur dioxide, like in sulfur dioxide SO2, each oxygen is -2. So 2 oxygen will be -4, so sulfur will be +4. So there is no change in oxidation number before and after it is +4. That's why C is the right answer. Is it clear? Question 16. In question 17, brown nitrogen dioxide exists in equilibrium with a colorless dinitrogen tetroxide. Look, the pressure is increased when the equilibrium is restored, the appearance of a mixture. If the pressure increases where the equilibrium or the balance will shift, it will shift toward the right-hand side. If the equilibrium or the balance will shift towards the right-hand side, what will happen to the color? Because in a reversible reaction, we'll have both reactant and product. But what happened as we increase the pressure, equilibrium shifted toward the right-hand side, so less brown and more of it will be colorless. So what happens to the color? The color will get lighter or it will become paler. And the temperature increase. It's an exothermic reaction. If for an exothermic reaction, when we increase the temperature, where the equilibrium or the balance will shift, it will shift towards the reactant side or backward. As a result, when it will shift towards backward, what happened? More brown substance is there, less colorless substance. It means the color will get darker. So D will be the right answer. Is it clear? Question 17. Then how the pressure? Yes. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.